middle of nowhere, just looking at old junk. Took this nice side by side, and I just covered the camera. I'm a fool. But the reason I'm out here is to check out this old abandoned house over here. I hear somebody coming. I better cross the road. Okay. This is the old There's an old vacuum right there, but this is so nice just out in the woods. The house, on the other hand, is not so alright. Man, pretty beaten up. Let's see. Oh, there's a typewriter. That's pretty cool. Okay, that was cringy and stupid phase rug type crap there. But I'm standing right under tons and tons of wood, which is, yeah, it's stupid, okay? It's not sketchy, it's completely stupid. Obviously never do this at home or whatever. Whatever stupid disclaimers I have to tell you. Why doesn't this focus lock? That's weird. Well, there's the stairs. The ceiling is like sagging in, but this house has been here for a long time. It's just sitting here, so if it collapses now, that's ridiculous. See outside the door right now, or out the house. This is so sketchy. It's a couch right in front of the front door. Let me turn on my flashlight. There we go, you can probably see a little bit better now. And now I can check out what crap is back here. Just ridiculous. That? There's a freaking goblin thing up there. What the? Holy crap. Come on, freaking light. Where's the? What the heck was that? It's a thing with freaking claws. Course, like horror story fashion, it's gone now. I'm getting the heck out of here. I have no freaking idea what the heck that was. Holy crap, it was like standing up on two legs with giant claws. I'm not even making this up. I'm not saying it was some Bigfoot monster creature. It's probably just an animal that I don't recognize, but that was pretty creepy. He was literally just standing right above me. I wasn't expecting this to turn into some horror movie thing, but that's concerning. I'm going back around here. That is so creepy looking. I don't even know what the heck it was. It looked like a opossum, but with long Wolverine claws. But obviously there's no Wolverines here. Unless there are. The worst part is I didn't even get it on camera because I just froze and I was looking. It literally shook. I was looking. And then I just saw it sitting up there like a weirdo. It's so creepy. Anyways, I'm not gonna linger on the topic of weird creatures spotted in this house, because that'd be clickbait. It just was some weird... It was a weird creature, but I just don't know what it was. I could be just completely... Maybe it didn't even have claws, I don't know. Maybe I'm just freaked out too much, or there's some light glare or something, I don't know. I'm definitely not going up to the upstairs. I don't see it anywhere. And the fact that I went back to the base of it to see if it was still there, it's kind of concerning. I think I already took a picture of that for the thumbnail, so I'm good. Oh man, it was literally probably just an opossum, but worse, I didn't even get it on camera, so I don't know. I can't like look back and see what it was, so I'm leaving. Okay, I've decided to take another look. I can't just leave it as, oh, I saw an opossum with Wolverine claws. I have to go check it out one last time. And this might be the last time I'm on Earth. It's up those damn stairs. I didn't even get to cash my paycheck yet. So please, Wolverine creature thing, spare me. Well, I'm done. I don't know if I caught anything on camera, but I heard rustling, so I'm out of here. I have to come up with a name for that creature. Unless I look back in the video, it's just a possum. Well, I'm going home. Okay, so I just looked back on the video and it was some weird bird thing. I don't know what kind of bird it was, but it's literally just a bird. I don't know why I saw a possum with Wolverine claws, but it's just a bird, so. But still pretty creepy. I didn't know what it was, but yeah, I'm gonna go home now. Okay, after further analysis of the photo, I saw that there were two of the birds actually, and I still couldn't figure out what bird it was. It's either, well, my brother said it looked like a black-headed vulture, but the black-headed ones don't have like the white around it, which they do kind of look like, but I don't know. And the picture search said it was a king's vulture, which it kind of did look like it, but I searched up and they live in like Mexico or something, like not where I live, so obviously it's not that. So I don't know what kind of bird it was, and well, I guess it's the ghost bird of the abandoned house. I don't know. Somebody come up with a name for the creature in the upstairs. Anyways, I guess that's it. Yeah, I'll post whenever Man, I'm such a klutz. The cameras are so annoying. The phone is so annoying to film with, because like if I grab it here I can't see, then if I hold it like this I can't see the screen when I'm filming. So anyways, that's it. Goodbye.